Oh, right. So it's about 2 in the morning right now. Wow, these fucking lights are bright.
Looks great on camera.
Thanks, man. 2 in the morning. Florida, it got below 40. What is it, 50 degrees right now?
Feels like it, yeah.
It's 50 degrees in Florida, so we are... Jack is tuning my car behind BC. Behind BC Racing. This is where we are right now. And, yeah, I mean, once he tunes it, then we can go to Adams. We figured it'd just be easier just to drop the truck and trailer off here. So in the morning, we don't have to worry about it, and we can just cruise out with everyone. So that's what's going on. Well, it's a lot better. We couldn't even start it before.
Yeah. It looks pretty good now.
Give Jack a laptop for 3 minutes, he'll tune your car. Literally. We just got to Adam's house. Everyone's sleeping. Oh boy. My bed's right there. I'm good. Good morning, everyone. It's about, what do you think, 9:15?
9:10.
9:10. We went to bed around 3:30 in the morning, so that was fun. And I'm tired. I would like to stop for coffee. I know Mike wants to stop for a coffee.
Yeah.
I don't really think that's gonna happen.
Nope.
Because I mean, if we're stopping for coffee in Adams in the front, it's gonna be Starbucks.
Yeah.
But I'm okay with that, honestly.
I'm not.
You're not okay. You're a Dunkin' boy at home.
100%.
You see, my girlfriend likes Starbucks, and
So you've been kind of getting used to it a little.
I just don't care, and I don't even drink coffee really.
Yeah.
It's just if I get up this early, I fucking need it.
Yeah.
But we're going to Adams open house now. We will see you there.
What?
Where did we just go?
Fucking Starbucks, dude.
The Prime is so annoying. Called it. All right, Mike. So there's about probably 50 people over there,
Yeah.
and it opens in 2 hours.
I know. What the fuck are we
That's
gonna do?
wild. You know, this whole place is gonna be filled. I'm actually pretty excited.
Yeah, it's good for me because I can set up everything. And
Yeah.
get the shots
You
that I
can make
need.
one hell of a video.
I'm excited to see what I can do, but the problem is I don't have like my home editing computer. I have my laptop, so
Yeah.
I can't like
Be a little
color
harder.
things as much as I can. But
You don't have Final Cut on it?
I have Final Cut, but I don't have like the plugins and stuff that I use at home
okay.
on this laptop. So it'll be okay, but you know, it's not going to be as, you know, that's whatever. It'll be fine.
So Michael's working for Adam today, so you guys are with me.
I've been commissioned.
Still with Mike's editing though. I'm not editing this video, so he'll be a little good. We're starting the video off here. This thing's pretty sick. Look at this windshield. It just comes up. I wonder like what's the point of this? I mean, it looks cool, but like I don't understand why they would do that. Looks sick. 5 days later, they're taking Rob's spec off.
SPE. This is an SPE motor.
It lasted 5 days or 4 days.
Yeah, it's a Rob Spec sticker.
Get it. You're an asshole. So I'm in Adam's shop right now looking at his S15. And like, what do you think?
It's awesome.
Do the pictures do it justice?
Not at all.
It's like I saw it in the pictures, I'm like, yeah, that's cool, but like looking at it in person, it's crazy. Like just look at the fuel cell setup back here. It's so wild. This is like a dream right here. A dream drift car?
Look at the roof.
It's crazy. Interior. You got the nitrous bottle right there. That's my style.
Check out them granadors, dog. God dang.
Okay, so we're here at Adam's open house. I already explained that. Look how many people are here. Fuck you. This is honestly wild. Jack's going crazy. Hey Jack, you took on my thunder.
I did?
Are you ready?
Almost.
Everyone's cheering for you.
What are you?
We're intercepting. Mine's going up 3 days later.
Okay, fuck it then.
Woo!
Alright, everyone make noise so you can do this.
Yeah, Jack! Hey, Jack. I think it's fair to say you won. We got a battle going on right now. Oh, shit, Jack. What's he got?
What you got?
I'm good. Let's see some
So
ups.
Jimmy's trying to make me do O's in front of all these people, making me look like a fucking asshole.
You love it.
It's outside.
You practice all the time.
I do.
Let's hear it.
I'm joking.
All day.
So this guy just came up to me, said, how much for me to punch him in the face?
Punch me in the face. I am dead serious.
I got 50 on it.
I'm dead serious. Right here. I will let you all day long.
50
Punch me
bucks.
in the mouth.
I'll give you 20 bucks right now.
I want you to punch me.
We'll throw in. I'll throw in.
I'll give you 20 bucks right now.
50 bucks. We'll donate 50 bucks.
I'll let
This
you
is crazy.
punch me in
I
the
had 20.
mouth.
I don't know what's going on here.
I will let you hit me
If
right
you do an
here.
uppercut, I'll do 50 more.
That doesn't count.
I'm not punching
I want you to wail on me.
Gotta do them like Ryu, bro.
Just so I can say it. Just so I can say it.
I'll hold if you want
I
to fuck
don't.
him.
I have
want you
never
to
punched
punch
someone
me
in the
in the
face, man.
He's trying to sleep.
I have never punched someone in the face. I guess I'm hitting him in the arm. I'm not gonna do it crazy hard, but I'll do it kind of hard. I don't know. Ready?
As long as this is on the block. All right. Hey, that was good. Hey, that was nice.
Weak. All right, guys. So I've been waiting a long time for this. I'm signing my first boob. Oh God.
It's rough, I know.
Oh, this is bad, man.
Oh, this is great.
Gotta start somewhere. That's right. Adam flexing. Adam Flex Money Rudnick here. I'm following Mike. I'm following you, Mike. Man. Stealing your content.
Man, what the
Stealing
fuck?
Adam's content.
Yeah, you are.
Flex. I can't express how hard it is to get by with your shit. Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, dude?
We're vlogging together.
Hell yeah.
Steps not working.
Oh yeah, this will be us soon. This is it. Red coupe. Fuck yeah. This is me. I already got my wheels.
Got rid of my.
This thing is sick. This Pulsar right here. I see you. I want to see you.
He likes my girlfriend.
This is so cute. Look at the leaf.
He's adorable. Man.
So cute. What? Hey. Hi. Thanks for editing this video, Mike.
In advance?
Yeah.
You thanking me in advance? You're welcome. I got you.
Ooh, hey. How's it going?
God.
How do we start?
Wasn't me. That was
We
you.
got me and face hats here. We were sitting alone in the grass, not doing anything, and then all of a sudden a swarm of people started coming up.
They're following me.
They were following you, or were they following this guy? Look at this dude. He's signing away.
It was me.
He's just signing away.
Yeah, who's that guy?
So I mean, I want to. I have an FD killer, right? Right? Do I have an
You beat one FD
I beat one FD.
You beat one FD, so now you want to go race all of them.
Yeah, so I think me and TJ, we're gonna hook up a race.
We are. FD killer.
FD killer. You know, low-key, I brought my tuner with me. And
We're going to turn it up just a little bit.
I mean, come on, we have to. We definitely have to.
I heard he's making like 450 to the wheel.
We need at least 350. You think we can do that safely for one run?
We're going to turn it up.
Okay, we're gonna turn up the booze. If I can beat TJ Hunt's FD, it's a game changer. Whose money you got? Me or TJ at the drag strip? We're up in the boost.
So TJ cares about his car and you don't. So
I
money's on
care,
you.
but I give no fucks.
Facts. So yeah, I got 100 on Reddick. Yeah.
Who wants to match?
Thank you, Jimmy. Who's matching that? You matching that?
I'll bet against him. I'll bet
What?
against him. Jimmy,
the hell outta here.
I know you're gonna win, but I want to bet against him.
Can I take a selfie?
You know, I wish I had my glasses, but I fought my dad. I got him down twice. I got him down twice, dude. And then he had to prove something and choked me out.
I got
My dad like, better watch out, man. I fought my dad once.
I wish I had my sunglasses, but I had to fight my dad.
Gotta get a set of pit vipers, they don't break.
I don't want those ugly things.
Let's do it. Tommy. How's your neck?
Oh, guys, you gotta redo it.
Oh wait, we do.
No, you owe him one now. No, let him.
Get the hell. I got the paddle.
Oh, that was bad.
Stop.
Let me give him his paddle. No. I'm gonna give it back to him, and I'm putting you down the pavement.
This is getting out of hand.
Jeff. I warned you.
Beat his ass.
Can you believe this shit?
Somebody grab him. $50.
I'm out of control.
Grabs him. You see the fear in his eyes?
I was actually looking out for y'all. I was gonna get
This
some
thing
more
is
water.
sick. Hopefully someday here. So Taylor's gonna take me for a little rip in his LS. Pretty stoked. How much does it make? 340?
340.
That's wild. I'm stoked. I'm stoked to feel the torque on it.
Yeah?
Yeah, Stoney.
Get that.
This thing's quick, huh?
Yeah, it gets.
Jesus Christ. Feels good. I fuck with it.
Yeah. You like the torque?
Yeah.
Miata.
Those Willwoods.
Yeah.
It hooks really well.
Yeah.
I'm surprised, honestly.
Yeah, everyone thinks it's gonna just be spin safe,
Yeah.
but it hooks.
These tires are really fucking good.
Yeah, they are.
I'm glad I went with the same tires.
Same.
They're sick.
No, they have have you taken corners with them yet?
Not yet, honestly. I haven't really gotten to drive my car. Whoa!
Yeah, they feel insane.
Yeah, I bet.
Up your second gear and it won't.
Yeah, the torque is gnarly.
Yeah, it's like this.
So, we just got back from Adam's open house. How was it? It was sick.
What?
The turnout with the open
Why are you
house.
trying to film this before the open house and make it look like it's the end of the video?
This is the end of my video.
Yeah, but we didn't even go to the open house yet, and you're pretending like this is the end.
You're confusing
It's
me.
tomorrow.
What the hell is wrong with
6
him?
o'clock in the morning and you're gonna tell people it's the end?
You're making it weird,
You
dude.
guys are so annoying, but I just wanted to show
Listen,
this
we gotta
flex.
be in by
Or
9,
Adam
so let's
sees
go. We're gonna be late.
Garage.
Get to bed, Chris. We gotta wake up early and go to the open house tomorrow. Why?
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Obviously, the open house, it happened.
Chris, we gotta get your car on a lift. The fucking dip's broken. Let's go. Come on.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Dude, you look weird.
No, you look fucking weird.
Why?
No, you both look weird to me because I am hallucinatingly tired.
Goodbye. I just wanted to flex, and these guys are being assholes. Being an asshole. I guess I'm
You're
tired
drunk.
too. Bye.